And welcome to Sports Obama TV. Please do subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and also like the video. We are here at the GFA Secretariat. Today is the unveiling of a Football Development Talent Program. GFA Executive Council, all members, and also the president, coaching staff, and technical director, Mr. Bernard Lepet. Today they have launched the GFA Elite Program, which will help to unearth a lot of talents in the country. They have decided to scout for over 5,000 footballers in Ghana. When I'm talking about footballers, I mean the youth side from age 11 to 14. They will help to develop the structure of Ghana football and also to identify a lot of challenges that are facing Ghana football for them to able to fix them. So this program basically is here to help to fix the fundamentals of Ghana football. So if you're a footballer, you are between the age of 11 to 14 years, this is your chance to become a national star. They will start from regional basis, from the Greater Accra region, then they will go to the next regions to scout for this talent. This group of players will be groomed to become players for under 15 and also the under 17 national team.
We are also thinking about the long-term prosperity of our sport. And it's the reason why today is a happy day for my good self. To invest in our collective future as people who belong to this football ecosystem is key. And it is the wisest investment any leader can do to our sport. So we are not only being competitive today, Professor Minta, we are thinking about our collective tomorrow. To provide a fair playing ground for kids from the woods of Ghana to realize their dreams. Their dream of also climbing the ladder to appear at the Mondial one day. And it's the reason why I'll forever say thank you to my vice. Can we clap for him, please? It is a happy day for Ghana football. We have achieved a lot of milestones in the last 2.5 years, but believe me, this is the biggest. We know we will. we want to cover the entire Greater Accra.
We are very grateful that these coaches now, they work without salary. They get money for transportation and they visit in their area all community football, all schools, and ask the teachers, speak with the PE teachers. So it's a big work to scout the real 12 best boys and girls in their district. But we come closer and closer. We organize some street football matches, and it's a big task, but we come closer and closer. Maybe in the first half year we cannot find the 12 best. Maybe there are 3 others there. But on a long term, I'm sure we will go there when we will come there. And we have also some criteria with a scouting report where we follow up with controllers in the districts. So we developed a very nice system to really scout the best players. Maybe not the next 4 weeks, but on a longer term, over half a year, we will find them all. I don't want to talk about the senior national team now, because these players are between 11 and 14 years old. So it's too early to say this. What I want to do is, out of this talents, let's say 500 in each region, we want to bring the best 50 or maybe the best 30 to regional academies, which we have to build the next 2-3 years. I want to build the infrastructure maybe for 2 regions together, that they have one regional academy, and from there we keep the players and educate them, and the best of them will go to Bram and build the basis for our under 15 national team. And the other best players we have to follow up, because there is still in this age a big fluctuation. Some fall out, others come. There are late developers in football also. So we want to keep and observe at least 200-300 children which are maybe not able to play in the under 15, but they develop later and they can play later in the under 17 or something like this. But these 300 people we have to observe and to keep in some regional academies.
Thank you very much for supporting this channel. Please do your best and subscribe to the channel, and also make sure you leave a comment and share this video as well. Thank you very much.